Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to set permission on group in Windows Server 2016. Before I showing you how to set permission your sharing folder and how can add user and which user can access, and also I set permission here which user read only, write only, full control. So this is only one this folder under I add this user. If I add global set permission on group, then every user can one time use that permission. So first I need check which user which group I created. Go to run. Here I created group ittechbd. Double click this group under I add this user. So if I now set permission on group, then all user can this permission set on all user. So no need one by one user you set permission. Go to your sharing folder. Here right click, then click properties. Here click sharing tab, then click advanced sharing. Then click permissions tab. Here I want to set group. Now only have user. So click add, then object type. Here built-in security. This one uncheck. I need only checking and find out group. So uncheck user, then click OK. Then click advanced, then click find now. Now checking which group I created. Here showing all group. So I created ittechbd, this global group. Then select this one, then click OK. Then again click OK. Now this ittechbd select and I set full control. So this group under all user can access all resource and they are control all resource, read, write, change, delete, edit, everything can do. So this is good way. This one I create one folder for ittechbd. If you have more department, then you create more group, then group under you add user and you set permission on your group full control. Then this group under all user can access, read, write, edit, delete all file and resource. If you only a specific people you want to set permission, read only, write only, change only, then before I showing you how can share folder and set permission restriction give set on user. Like this way you do. And group under, you just only set permission on group, then you write full control check mark, then this group under all user can access all resources, this folder, read, write, edit, delete everything. Also you can, if you want to, this group under user can not full control, only change and read, then you can set like this. I set full control. So this is depend on your administrator decision, then server administrator do like this. So like this way you can set permission on your group, then click apply, then click OK, then again click apply, then click OK, then close. Now your group setting already. So like this way you can set permission on group in Windows Server 2016. If you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.